Well, there is another practical and beautiful piece of work that I get to sit down in front of my fireplace and just enjoy for the rest of my days. This project was super easy. Took me 2 days with all the dyeing and drying and buffing and that sort of stuff. The tools required for this project probably you can get on eBay for less than 50 bucks. The plans that I followed for this project are not my own. I got them from this book, Leatherworks. Got this at Lee Valley Tools by Otis Ingram. I'm sure it's available online. Lots of cool projects in that book. On another note, there are still a few spots available. I think 5 or 6 spots available in my May Memorial Day weekend timber framing workshop. We're building a timber frame greenhouse. It's going to have like a climate battery underneath it, as well as all joinery and clad in glass. It's going to be a super fun project. So if you want to get involved in that, now would be the time. You have to be a member of the Makers Mob School to be able to participate in the in-house workshops. But right now we have a huge spring sale for your first month's membership in the Makers Mob. So if you want to check it out, if you want to see what our group's all about, now would be the time to jump in on that, and especially if you want to get in on that workshop. And just to let you know, if you do become a member of the Makers Mob, you will not instantly be a phenomenal woodworker. I don't want to hype it up that much, but what we do offer is an amazing community of just really positive, super encouraging people that are actually building a ton of stuff. All the projects that are coming out of this group are phenomenal, and there's even better woodworkers than I am in this group. So if you want to be a part of like an awesome community, you're kind of sick of being all isolated in your garage and trying to show your friends your projects, and they're like, I don't really care, come join us, because we are having a great time. There's like well over 100 hours of like tutorial videos and stuff. So if you really are committed and you want to learn this craft, yes, it's still going to take a ton of time, but being a part of an awesome community, people, where you can get reliable information from, it's going to help your process, right? But there is another option, because I heard there's this guy named Ted out there on the internet, and he's got like 16,000 woodworking plans. So maybe he could make all your woodworking dreams come true. Sorry, I had to put that in there. Till the next video, guys. Samurai out.